Welcome to MJ Collision Center, restoring your trucks with precision and care. The open road may be tough on your truck, but that's no excuse for time out. As your trusted partner for body repairs and restoration, we bring your commercial vehicle the care and repair its hard work deserves. From minor scratches to major collisions, we're here to get you back on the road safely and efficiently. After all, every day off the road is the day you're not making money. No matter the make or model, count on our frame straightening, dent removal, and cab repair to keep your business rolling. To do exactly that, our collision center is equipped with cutting-edge technology. We make sure your truck is repaired to the highest standards, restoring its performance and appearance. Because when your truck's representing your brand, it's not just the inside that counts. It's the kind of service that comes with choosing commercial specialists. We can even lend a hand with the claims process. After all, you don't want the paperwork keeping you in the pit. And with the support of our authorized parts department, we're ready to swing into action at a moment's notice. But the real powerhouse behind our repairs? It's our team of factory-trained and certified technicians. We treat every truck as if it's our own, because your business depends on it. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from drivers like you.
They know a truck down isn't making any money for a company. And for a small business like mine, getting a truck in and out is of the utmost importance. Getting it done right the first time is always a plus. Thank you guys for making it painless.
At MJ Collision Center, we understand how important your truck is to your business. That's why we focus on fast, reliable repairs without compromising on quality. Our goal is to get you back to work with a truck that looks and performs like new, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business.
Need a repair? Trust the experts at MJ Collision Center. Call us today or visit mjtrucknation.com to schedule your appointment.